guys, I know I've been MIA for a while, but let me explain. First of all, tax season. I don't know if a lot of you know, but I am an accountant, and that usually takes up my January through April. But I also got sick, like really sick. I was sick most of the month of March through my birthday, which we will be redoing something because I didn't do anything for my birthday. And then we're halfway through April now, and I'm still not 100%, but I'm pushing through. But I did want to let you know that I have been doing travel certifications, stacking up on info, and I know y'all been missing content, so I got a lot of content coming. And of course, speaking of content, I'm here at Terminal 3. I'm getting ready to do a travel agent tour of the Carnival Venezia. I haven't been on her yet, so this is going to be exciting. I'm going to give you guys some highlights of the cabins, food, and just the regular vibes. It'll probably be a montage style instead of a vlog, just because these things can get kind of hectic with a lot of people walking in and out of the shots, and it's just really busy and fast paced. But you know I got you. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.